As relevant here, Yona Brixton is a joint venture, limited liability company, which was established between Yona Systems and Brixton Corporation, Brixton. Yona Brixton and another offeror submitted proposals in response to the solicitation. After evaluating the proposals, the agency eliminated Yona Brixton's proposal as technically unacceptable. On August 3, an employee of Yona Systems, and the intended project manager, if Yona Brixton was awarded the contract, filed this protest on behalf of Yona Brixton. On August 8, an officer of Brixton emailed our office and indicated that Yona Brixton forgoes all our rights to any protest, and Yona Brixton should not protest the award. According to the Brixton officer, pursuant to the terms of the joint venture agreement, the protest should have been initiated only after consensus from all the joint venture executives. An officer of Yona Systems responded and stated that Yona Systems is the managing venture of Yona Brixton. Yona Systems officer also stated that as the managing venturer, it delegated joint venture management duties to the employee of Yona Systems who filed the protest with our office. As such, Yona Systems states that the individual who filed the protest was authorized to do so on behalf of the joint venture, in relation to his management duties. Under the Competition in Contracting Act of 1984 and our bid protest regulations, our office only may decide a protest filed by an interested party, which the statute defines as an actual or prospective bidder or offeror whose direct economic interest would be affected by the award of the contract or by the failure to award the contract. Determining whether a party is interested involves consideration of a variety of factors, including the nature of the issues raised, the benefit or relief sought by the protester, and the party's status in relation to the procurement. The record reflects that the protester and Brixton have conflicting interpretations of the terms of the joint venture agreement, and as such, disagree regarding whether the protester is authorized to file this protest on behalf of the joint venture. Our office has faced a similar issue before in InSpace 21 LLC, December 8, 2014. In that protest, as here, the protester and joint venture partner asked that our office resolve the issue as to who had authority under the joint venture agreement to file a protest. As stated in our prior decision, InSpace 21 LLC, our office will not resolve a dispute between private parties. Because our office will not review the dispute between the protester and Brixton regarding their interpretations of the joint venture agreement, we cannot conclude that this protest was filed by an interested party. Where, as here, a protester's interested party status is in question, the protester may not simply assert that it is an interested party. In the case of joint ventures, our office has stated that a joint venture, not any individual firm, is the appropriate interested party to protest the contracting agency's action. Our bid protest regulations require a protester to affirmatively demonstrate that it is an interested party. A protester's failure to meet its obligation requires dismissal of the protest. Based on the record before us, and in light of the unresolved dispute, we find that the protester has not demonstrated that it has the authority to file this protest on behalf of Yona Brixton. Accordingly, in these circumstances, the protester does not qualify as an interested party for purposes of filing a protest with our office.